Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 frame drops. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, go to background apps, make sure to turn off this option, and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and then make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card. And now go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling, enable it, and then your problem must be fixed. After that, open task manager, free up your memory, just click on memory to see applications that takes your memory. Now just close all the applications that you know what they do, like any VPN or Google Chrome, any browser. Right click and end it, and that's it. After that, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.